Ka pai. Now that you've learned some essential vocab, we're going to start focusing on understanding the basic sentence structure in Te Reo Māori. This will allow you to start forming more complex sentences so you can start to express yourself more clearly. The good news is that the sentence structure in Te Reo Māori is very simple compared with English. In Te Reo Māori, sentences typically follow this structure: verb, subject, object. This means that the action, i.e. the verb, comes first, followed by the person or the thing who's performing the action, which is the subject, and then the thing being acted upon, which is the object. Let's look at an example. E kai ana ahau I te āporo means I am eating the apple. Let's break that down. E kai ana is the verb phrase, meaning am eating. Ahau is the subject, which means I, and I te āporo is the object, meaning the apple, āporo. So the sentence structure is verb, kai, subject, ahau, and object, I te āporo. The structure is consistent in Te Reo Māori, so once you understand it, you can start to apply it to almost any sentence. Let's try another example. E kōrero ana ia I te reo Māori. He or she is speaking Māori. Again, we start with e kōrero ana, speaking, followed by the subject, ia, he or she. E kōrero ana ia. And then the object is I te reo Māori, the Māori language. So that whole sentence reads, e kōrero ana ia I te reo Māori.